Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about language detector in Python. We can detect language in text using a Python library called langdetect. And to use this library, we need to install it using pip. So on terminal, need to type pip install lang detect and hit enter. And now we are going to import this module in our code. It takes a string of words and detect the language. So we are going to import from lang detect import detect. This is lang detect. And now we are going to detect the language. Here you can type or paste in the language you want to detect. So I just pasted the Chinese over here, and I'm just gonna print lang and just run our code. And here it says Chinese. So this is code for Chinese language. And now we are going to detect one more. I will just copy and change the language. I just added the Arabic, and now we can just run. And here is the code for Arabic language. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me. Thank you for watching.